It's 4 a.m. and I know that you're with him. I wonder if he knows that I touched your skin, and if he feels my traces in your hair. I'm sorry Lord, but I don't really care. 'Cause we're on fire, we're all on fire, we're on fire now. Yeah, we're on fire, we're all on fire, we're on fire now. I don't care what people say when we're together. You know I wanna be the one who hold you in the sleep. I just want it to be you and I forever. I know you wanna leave, so come on baby, be with me so happily. So happily.